Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Grindr registration error step by step. So step 1, go to Play Store, then open your Grindr. In this page, you don't have to log in. Just click sign up in the right corner. Then click the next and accept. And then once again, click next and accept. Step 2, type your birth date. Then, click Next. Step 3. Don't fill up this page. All you have to do is click Google at the bottom. Step 4. Choose account what you want to use to continue your Grindr. Then, wait for a second. All you have to do is click Allow at the bottom. And for the last step, you need to fill up this page for your profile. Then, click Save. And that's all. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.